I told you that there is a way to melt the snow?
Tell me.
Okay.
Tell
What do you think?
Tell me. Fire. Tell me.
Fire.
Tell
Oliver, what do you think will melt the snow?
Tell me.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
What if I show you?
No, don't tell me.
What if I show you?
Wow.
Okay, you ready to melt some snowmen?
Okay. I feel like blue. I feel science. Epsom salt.
It's actually baking soda.
Yeah, that was that one. Red.
And what do you think the colors are? What liquid do you think I used for the colors?
Food coloring.
I did use food coloring,
Green.
but it's something that reacts to baking soda. Do you remember what it is?
Water.
It's vinegar. It creates a chemical reaction, and that's why it fizzes.
Chemical reaction. Hello. Okay. Where did I go? Hey, Stars, how do you like this? I'm gonna see if this can melt this hat.
You want to see what happens when you put the Play-Doh in there? Go ahead.
Nothing. Nothing's happened.